Have you ever wondered how your car can stop quickly in an emergency without skidding out of control? Well, the secret lies in something called anti-lock brakes or ABS. In this video, we are going to simplify the complex world of ABS and explain how it works. ABS starts with sensors on each wheel. These sensors are like little detectives, constantly monitoring how fast your wheels are spinning. Now imagine you are driving and something unexpected happens. You hit the brakes and you hit them hard to stop quickly. So when you slam the brakes, the wheel sensors spring into action. They sense when a wheel is about to stop spinning, which is a sign of trouble. Here is where the magic happens. Instead of letting the wheels lock up, ABS does something amazing. It starts pulsing the brake. Pulsing means ABS rapidly releases and reapplies the brake. This makes the wheels slow down, but it doesn't completely stop. It's like controlled skidding. The incredible part? You can still steer your car. Even if your wheels are skidding a little, ABS lets you steer to avoid obstacles. So, in simple terms, anti-lock brakes are your car's superheroes in sudden braking situations. They keep your wheels spinning, your car under control, and you safe. Now you know the secret behind those mysterious ABS initials. Remember, ABS is there to help you stay safe on the road. Thanks for watching and drive safely.